I just picked up my boat and I want to put some rod holders on this boat. What's nice about Lund boats is that we have these sport track brackets, and I can put this sport track bracket pretty much anywhere in the boat. You clip it on. If you want to move it over here, you can move it over here and clip it on. That's what's nice about these removable sport track brackets. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take these fish on rod holders, which I've used for years and years. And then I just take the little, this is the bracket itself. I position it right on this little plate. Get some, it's basically about 3/4 inch screws. Kind of line it up towards the bottom of it. Just like that. Snap it right here. And actually I'm going to put an extension on this one. All right, with the extension here, I just place the extension. A lot of times I might even put a little bit of super glue on the top of that. And then what's nice about TEMPRESS here, these rod holders of theirs, I can bring it all the way down. So my rod angle can be, put the rod tip right to the end of by the edge of the water. I can make it level. Okay. There's all soft, smooth edges. I don't have any problems with, you know, wrecking the handles on my rods. The rods, you can either put a bait caster or a spinning rod. You can put them in different positions. And then I have this little ring that locks the rod in place so it doesn't go over. So once I've got this here, all I'm going to do, it slides right in there and we're ready to go. Once again, now if I want to move this to a different part of the boat, all I have to do is just lift this little lever up. If I want it back further in the boat, I just move it back. Simple as that.